Hello and welcome to Crypto Breakdown. Today I'll be talking about Injective Protocol. So this is a fairly new project. I've looked into it and I can see insane potential in the future. And I'm going to be talking about a little bit about it, what it is, and its price predictions coming forward in 2021. So what Injective is, it's a fully decentralized trading platform. So unlike a centralized platform, which is Binance, for example, um, the money is controlled by you, not the exchange themselves. So Binance holds your money; they have it in their wallets, which you have access to through a password, authenticator, whatnot. Uh, Injective is a decentralized platform which you don't need to sign up. Pretty much, you just make an account. I'll show you how it is, and you just link your hardware wallets, and you can make trades. So at the moment, um, it's not fully implemented. It's in testing. So in 2021, there's going to be 4 phases. This is phase one. This is going to be the trading page. It's pretty easy to make an account. You create a wallet really fast. Um, uh, there's no signing up, as I said, so they don't have your details, which is good. We'll talk a little bit about why that's a benefit. So this is a page you can make normal market trades. You can do also derivatives, as well as futures tradings, as well as stock trading, which they're going to implement coming up in 2021, which I think is going to be really big. So why is Injective unique unlike other trading platforms or centralized exchanges? So if you imagine Bitcoin, its purpose was to give people control of their own money. What Injective does is it allows people to trade without giving the control over to a third party like Binance or Coinbase or any other exchanges. So what that means is you can do your own trades. No one can ask you any questions, and you're in control of your own money. And I promise you this: in the future, the government will crack down. They are currently doing it. So, for example, Coinbase has to give all its users' details over to the government, so the government can effectively tax people. So, in a way, or coming up in the future, DEXs will be the number one place where people will trade, if you think about it, because the more and more the world goes forward, the government will find ways to limit people's, as in control people, and limit on what they're doing. So they have the control over the people, but what DEXs do, it gives people the power, and cryptocurrency will give the cryptocurrency and DEXs will pretty much give people the power over the government. That's a little bit about Injective Protocol. Now we're going to be looking at its current price. So it's ranking 126, $4.88 with market cap of 73 million. It has a circulating supply, what was it, of 14 million, but the total supply is 100 million. This isn't going to be dropped onto the community. It's going to be slowly distributed through the creators and investors over time within the next couple of years. So price should stay pretty stable, but once this gets going, I think it has a high probability to go insane, probably a 20-30x within the next year. So a similar coin that is another type of DEX, it is Uniswap as well as SushiSwap. These two platforms also offer trading without signing up to a centralized exchange. Just create an account and trade through your hardware wallet or crypto wallet. But the only problem is Uniswap is really slow. It takes quite a long time to make transactions, as well as it has a high transaction fee. If you're sending cryptocurrency to or buying cryptocurrency, you'd have to pay $4 or $5. That is if there's a lot of people doing it at the same time. Sometimes it's cheap, sometimes it's a lot. What the benefit of Injective is, it offers that fast as well as free, pretty much zero fees. What that brings is it's pretty much better than Uniswap in a way. So if we say Uniswap has a market cap of 979 million, that's today. Let's look at the last 30. So it's not been out for a long time. It was started. Let me see when it was launched. So Uniswap was launched around September, 4 months. When it began, it had a market cap of 655 million, and it stayed that way. Had a 950 million here, 1.6 billion. Okay, so for example, 900 million, or we'll just take this figure here. We do that divided by the circulating supply of here. Each Injective Protocol, if it goes up in price, I expect it to be more than $65 or more. That's within the next few months, but it all depends on the current market. If people are ready for DEXs, I think this has a insane potential where Bitcoin, as I said, was to give people their own control of their own money, and DEXs are to help people trade without giving details. So it has insane potential to be one of the top coins. This I think coin has potential to be at least top 4 or 3, beating XRP. Right, XRP is doing really bad. Right, so I hope this video helped. So this wasn't financial advice, it's just giving an insight on what Injective is and what my opinion is, what it can do in the future. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this.